Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to delete FreeCash account. So if this is your FreeCash, what you need to do is to go over to the top right corner and locate your profile icon or profile name. Click on it, and then this is where you'll see some details about your account, and the next thing you'll need to do is to click on settings right here. Once you click on settings, you have a pop-up where you see this page with information and more setting information. Then at the bottom, you can see the blue logout button and the red delete account button. So if you'd like to delete your FreeCash account, go ahead and click on delete account. And then here it says delete your account. To delete your account, please confirm by typing delete below. Please note that this action is irreversible and all your data will be permanently removed. So just simply go ahead and type delete, and then you see this button come alive. Let's try it out and show you. And there you have it. Delete account button is ready after you've confirmed your desire to delete it. So just go ahead and click on delete account and you'll be done with it. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.